Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating realm of human folly and exploring the world of quotes about stupidity. Let's jump right in. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. It is better to remain silent at the risk of being thought a fool than to talk and remove all doubt. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance, it is the illusion of knowledge. Never underestimate the power of stupid people in large groups. A foolish person repeats their mistakes. A wise person learns from them. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. Stupidity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Being ignorant is not so much a shame as being unwilling to learn. Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Average people learn from their experiences, and stupid people already have all the answers. Education is the vaccine for ignorance. The only thing more dangerous than ignorance is arrogance. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. Stupidity is an attempt to iron out all differences and not to use or value them creatively. Ignorance is not bliss, it is oblivion. The trouble with the world is that the stupid are cocksure and the intelligent are full of doubt. The greatest fools are oftentimes more clever than the men who laugh at them. You don't have to be smart to laugh at farts, but you have to be stupid not to. Stupid is as stupid does. Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. Knowledge will give you power, but character will give you respect. The greater the ignorance, the greater the dogmatism. Genius may have its limitations, but stupidity is not thus handicapped. Stupidity is a talent for misconception. Ignorance, the root and stem of all evil. The best way to combat stupidity is through education and critical thinking. Stupidity is the same as evil if you judge by the results. Stupidity is also a gift of God, but one mustn't misuse it. To be stupid, selfish, and have good health are three requirements for happiness, though if stupidity is lacking, all is lost. Stupidity combined with arrogance and a huge ego will get you a long way. There is no sin except stupidity.